Before we get started learning the fundamentals of creating toolpaths and NC code in CAMWorks, I'd like to take a minute to introduce some important areas of the interface that you'll be interacting with during the remainder of this course. The CAMWorks interface runs directly in SOLIDWORKS, so items you're already familiar with, such as the graphics area, feature manager design tree, and command manager will look familiar to you. If you're new to SOLIDWORKS, it may be a good idea to review the SOLIDWORKS Core Concepts course before continuing. Some of the new items introduced with the CAMWorks interface include the CAMWorks toolbar, the Feature Tree tab, the Operation Tree tab, and the CAMWorks drop-down menu. We'll cover all of these parts of the interface in upcoming lessons. For now, let's get familiar with the overall process in CAMWorks.